Hello students, welcome to my channel Life Science Point. Please subscribe my channel and share. Today I will discuss about the chromosomal aberration. Okay. Today I will discuss about the deletion. Previous video I have discussed the chromosomal aberration types. That's the chromosomal aberration may be in structural and numerical aberration. The structural aberration are those types: deletion, duplication, translocation, inversion and ring chromosome. So today I will discuss about the deletion. Okay, what is the deletion or deficiency? Loss of a broken part of a chromosome is called deletion. Okay, डिलीशन का मीनिंग क्या? क्रोमोजोम का कोई भी पार्ट डिलीट हो जाएगा यानी लॉस हो जाएगा, वही है डिलीशन और डेफिशिएंसी. ओके, यानी घाटती हो जाएगा. डेफिशिएंसी मीन्स घाटती, तो घाटती हो जाएगा. देयर आर टू टाइप्स मेनली डिलीशन: टर्मिनल डिलीशन एंड इंटरस्टिशियल और इंटरकलरी डिलीशन. यानी डिलीशन जो होगा वो क्रोमोसोम का टर्मिनल पार्ट भी हो सकता है और इन द मिडिल पोर्शन भी हो सकता है. तो व्हाट इज द टर्मिनल डिलीशन? टर्मिनल डिलीशन we can see in this picture that this is a chromosome and this is the centromere portion and this is the gene portion A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Those are the gene present in the chromosome. Okay, what is the terminal deletion? When the deletion occur at the terminal part, यानी प्रांत की भाग में. Okay, तो deletion occur in the terminal part. What happen then next after deletion? This is a during deletion part. This deletion has started. Okay, A, B, C, D, E or F, this portion में deletion occur. After the deletion we can see this E, F, G, H part जो है A, B, C, D, E ये part अलग हो गया और F, G, E, F, G, H ये part अलग हो गया after deletion. So this is the acentric fragment part. It not contain the centromere portion, so it is the eccentric fragment or eccentric part. It is the inactive part. It digests by the endonuclease. It is an inactive part. It digests by the endonuclease. Okay, these are produced by the deletion. Okay, and this part which has present centromere A, B, C, D, E, this chromosome part. Okay, this part can again come back into the this normal condition. How? A, B, C, D, E, this chromosome part may be come back in the pre-position यानी नॉर्मल कंडीशन पहले जो था. कैसे? ई के बाद एफ जी एच, जो एफ जी एच पार्ट है वो अलग अलग यानी भिन्न कोई भी एफ जी पार्ट इधर आके कंबाइंड होगा यानी रिजॉइंट होगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द पार्ट. ओके, एंड एफ जी एच, दिस इज द एसेंट्रिक पार्ट. इट कैन rejoin with this centric part. Okay, or with this centric part other eccentric part add or rejoined. Okay, so this phenomenon is called restitution. Okay, restitution. And what is the interstitial or intercalary deletion? When deletion occur at the middle portion of the chromosome. Suppose this is a chromosome. Okay, and this is the centromere 1 to 8 numbering. This is the portion of a chromosome or gene. There is a number denote here 1 2. Next 3 4 5 here deletion occur. What happened next after deletion? वी कैन सी 1 2 6 7 8 पार्ट एक है, और जो 4 5 6 है, सॉरी 3 4 5 जो है, ओके, वो 3 4 5 एसेंट्रिक फ्रैगमेंट अलग हो गया डिलीशन के बाद. दिस इज द middle portion occur this deletion, so it is called interstitial deletion. Okay, so we can see how after deletion the chromosome produced. Okay, this is called interstitial deletion. Pseudo dominance. Okay, this is the example and the effect of deletion. What happened in this condition? The recessive genes start showing their character due to deletion of allele on the homozygous chromosome. Okay, so recessive genes है वो क्या करेगा, एक्सप्रेस करेगा कोई ट्रेट को. रिसेसिव कंडीशन में कोई जीन मेनली not express the character, only dominant express the character. Okay, but in the pseudo dominance condition, here what happen, the recessive genes start showing the character due to deletion of allele. Okay, this is the homozygous chromosome A B C D E, small A B C D E, and that's the capital A B C D E, that's the dominant. Okay, and this is the recessive one and this is the dominant one. So here we know that the dominant gene must be express the phenotypic effect, or this dominant express the phenotypic expression or phenotypic trait or any character. But if deletion occur, then what happened? If the deletion occur in the dominant part of the chromosome, this is the dominant gene, this is the dominant, this chromosome contain A B C D E capital, this is the dominant. Okay, if here in this condition dominant gene का ऊपर deletion happen, so after deletion we can see this chromosome remain intact, small a, small b, small c, small d, small e same है. But here we can see that C D E पोर्शन जो है क्रोमोसोम का क्या डिलीशन यानी डिलीट यानी लॉस हो गया. तो ये जो क्रोमोसोम है डोमिनेंट जीन्स वो एक ट्रेट को एक्सप्रेस करता है, बट हेयर एब्सेंस ऑफ दिस डोमिनेंट जीन दिस ट्रेट डज नॉट एक्सप्रेस. ओके, so in this condition the recessive genes, that is the CDE, is more effectively, and this CDE recessive portion starts showing the character, because here no dominant part are present or this dominant part is absent, so the recessive genes start showing the character. Okay, so this is the pseudo dominance, यानी pseudo means false. Okay, so यानी false, ये जो dominant है ये false की तरह तो नहीं है, डिलीट हो गया तो ये false है. This portion does not exhibit the phenotypic expression, or this dominant CDE is absent here, so this is can't or this cannot express the phenotypic expression. So here small cd, that is recessive, express the character absence of dominant gene. Okay, this is the pseudo dominance. Okay, so this is also example and the effect of the deletion. Now I discuss the haploid insufficiency. Haploid insufficiency, this is also the effect of the deletion. Okay, so what is haploid insufficiency? Here what happened, generally pair alleles, that is the genes present on the homozygous chromosome, combinedly show a specific or particular trait. ओके, तो क्या है, ये जो क्रोमोसोम है, होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम है, वो क्या करता है ना, दो जो एलील है वो एलील कॉम्बाइंडली एक्सप्रेस करता है कोई भी ट्रेट को. बट डिलीशन ऑफ ए फ्यू पार्ट ऑफ द जीन्स विल हैम्पर द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ ए ट्रेट ड्यू टू इनसफिशिएंट एक्सप्रेशन बाय वन जीन. कोई भी एक एलील का जीन पार्ट जब एब्सेंट होगा और डिलीशन के वजह लॉस हो जाएगा, तब क्या होगा, पहले ये दो कॉम्बाइंडली और कॉम्बिनेशनली कोई भी कैरेक्टर को एक्सप्रेस करते थे. बट हेयर इफ वन पार्ट इज ऑलरेडी एब्सेंट ऑफ द homologous chromosome of anyone, so what happened then, which character was expressed, this character does not expressed exactly. Okay, this character does not expressed exactly. Here what happened, this is the deletion occurred here, single, then it is the haploid condition became this. For this the deletion, this chromosome does not show the exactly character. Okay, here became insufficient. Okay, so now I discuss how you can see this is the homologous chromosome. Okay, capital A B C D and capital A B C D. Okay, क्रोमोजोम है तो क्या करता है ना, जो दो एलील है प्यार में और यानी जोड़ है, बोथ कॉम्बाइंडली शो द स्पेसिफिक और पार्टिकुलर ट्रेट. बट इफ डिलीशन occur any of this chromosome, suppose here deletion occur in the CD portion, so what happened, after deletion you can see that is intact A B C D as a same, but in this portion deletion occurs, so A B and C D is absent here, so CD portion is absent, यानी loss. Okay, for the deletion, for this deletion this chromosome express the a specific trait or specific character, but here after deletion this pair of alleles or genes does not express the character exactly, because here some part have missing or delete. So this is the haploid only, single, the single alleles or gene express the character but not exactly express the or truly express the character. Here some insufficient occur, so this phenomenon is also called haploid insufficiency. Okay, so this is, now I say example of such a case. Example of haploid insufficiency, we can see notch wings in Drosophila. ये ड्रोसोफिला है. ओके, दिस इज द सपोज ये ड्रोसोफिला का एक इमेज है. ड्रोसोफिला का विंग जो है नॉर्मल विंग, बट व्हाट इज द नॉची विंग्स, these wings, okay, is expressed by the gene of Vg plus gene. Suppose एक haploid insufficient example is notch wings of Drosophila. जो ड्रोसोफिला है इसका नॉर्मल विंग्स है. Here Vg plus gene, okay, Vg plus is the gene for normal wings. Vg plus, when present the Vg plus gene, then express the normal wings of the Drosophila. So both Vg plus gene are responsible for expression the normal wing. Both Vg plus gene of the homozygous chromosome, both Vg plus gene combinedly express normal wings in Drosophila. So Vg plus gene both combinedly express the normal wings of the Drosophila. But when Vg plus gene of any homologous chromosome is lost, Vg plus gene, if anyone is lost, here we can see here Vg plus gene is absent or lost by the deletion. So Vg plus gene of any homologous chromosome is absent or lost, that is the deletion occur, then single Vg plus, that is the single Vg plus, here another Vg plus is absent. So this single Vg plus, that is the haploid, okay, haploid Vg plus did not actually express the normal wing production. एक absent है, so one Vg plus, that is haploid, did not or does not express the normal wing production. Insufficient expression of one gene, so wings become as noisy. Okay, Vg plus gene both when present in a chromosome, so Vg plus both gene combinedly express the normal wings. But when deletion occur of any Vg plus is absent or deletion occur when, then only one Vg plus is present because another is lost by the deletion. So what happened, this single Vg plus, that is the haploid Vg plus, does not express the normal wings. Okay, this failed to express the exactly normal wings. So what happened, then the wings become noisy, that is, this is the normal, and noisy means this, ऐसे, okay, this notchy means ऐसे, notchy, okay. So notchy wings express, or notchy wings we can see for the absence of Vg plus gene of anyone. Okay, so this is the condition, or this is the phenomenon as haploid insufficiency, and haploid insufficiency we can see in the case of notchy wings in Drosophila. और ड्रोसोफिला का वही नोची हो जाएगा, नॉर्मल ऐसे थे तो नोची के वक्त क्या होगा, जब एक Vg प्लस एब्सेंट होगा तब नोची हो जाएगा, यानी नॉर्मल सपोज ऐसे विंग्स थे, ओके, सो नोची हो जाएगा, नोची यानी ऐसे खांज हो जाएगा, ओके, नोची हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द most important example of the haploid insufficiency. And those condition haploid insufficiency, this phenomenon is occur due to deletion, okay, or for the deletion. So we all know one सपोज एक क्रोमोजोम है, एक क्रोमोजोम के जो एक जीन है, एनी जीन और एनी पार्ट, दो एक्सप्रेस है specific character or specific trait. If this specific gene is absent, then what happened, this character or trait does not exhibit or rarely exhibit, or any changes happen in this expression character. Okay, so here both combinedly express normal wings, that is Vg plus gene when occur both in the chromosome, but is anyone absent, then this character does not show exactly the normal wings, it's become notchy wings, okay, due to absence of any1 Vg plus for the deletion. So this is the condition of haploid insufficiency, okay.